Yeah. Hey guys, we got blizzards today, so I got cinnamon bun and what did you get?
Oreo and cocoa.
Yeah, here's mine. I'm obsessed with you. Let's see if it spills. I'm gonna do it on top of Sam's head. He can do it on top of
I'm
mine.
not that tall though.
Okay, wait, let me go first. Oh, nothing fell.
I
Dang
think
it.
we did this one once the sun was up, and then it spilled all over my head. Okay.
Oh. Yep, that's all.
Taste test.
Make sure to subscribe. Oh, the taste test, right? Mmm. I've had these billions of times. It's a 10 out of 10 for me for sure, guys.
9.
9. This is like first time. Okay, make sure to subscribe.